Welcome to JRMSweeps. I decided I was going to make my own tiller handle extension here for my 5-horse outboard. So I have this old paddle lying around, and I trimmed the handle down to the length that I wanted it to. And then this right here is a 1.5 inch piece of PVC, the nut bolt combo that I just drilled all the way through. And then right here I took a hacksaw and just saw that down, so that way it kind of opens up just a little bit and it'll create a little bit of pressure coming back down. I've seen some people clamp this down. I'm not going to do that. And then I just reused the old oar padding here. And the reason why I did that is because with the 6-gallon tank that I have on the back of the Sun Dolphin, this boat will not plane out unless I sit right about here. This is what it looks like with the tiller handle extension on the outboard here, and it moves the motor quite well. This is 24 inches from here to here, and which gives about 20 inches of extension, and that's perfect because this is going to be the seat that I use. That'll put me a little bit more centered in the middle of the boat. That'll get me on plane. See here. Works great. Thanks for watching.